I wanted to talk a little bit about your Aunt Alice. So she wrote Yiddish poetry.
Yeah, so she wrote poetry about her growing up, about her family. She wrote a lot of dark, dark stories about how terrifying it was, when they came, their last Passover, when they came to take away the father because he already had a stroke. What it was like to, be one of 10 children. So I remember for one Pesach, when our kids were still little, I translated one of her poems about the Passover seder, and I changed the end of it because I didn't have the heart, to really make it as dark as it was. And then I thought, oh, I'm doing the same thing that they did to me that I hated.